Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison between JobNimbus and AccuLynx, two of the top roofing CRM software options in 2025. If you're in the roofing business and wondering which platform fits your need best, I'll break it as free challenge and pros and cons, both of you can decide. JobNimbus stands out for its user-friendly interface and customizable workflows. It helps you manage leads, track jobs, schedule crews, and handling invoices all in one place. Its mobile app is solid, making it easy for your team to update job status from the field. Plus, JobNimbus offers great integration with popular accounting software, streamlining your financials. AccuLynx, on the other hand, is built specifically for roofing contractors and offers more advanced estimating tools. Its an aerial measurement, integration, and materials ordering features are a big plus for a precision and saving time. The platform also provides detailed projection, tracking, and customer communication tools, helping you to keep clients updated in every stage. Both platforms offer a good reporting capabilities, but AccuLynx leans to more into in-depth analytics tailored for roofing metrics. Pricing-wise, JobNimbus tends to be more affordable for small teams, while AccuLynx is suited for business looking for more comprehensive roofing-specific features. So, if you want something straightforward and flexible, JobNimbus is a strong choice. But if you need specialized roofing tools with the powerful estimating in project controls, AccuLynx may be worth the investment. And thanks for watching. If this helped to choose between a JobNimbus and AccuLynx, be sure to like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more roofing business techs comparison. Catch you in the next video.